Are you ready to elevate your cooking game in 2025? Today, we're diving into the world of the best electric pressure cookers that can transform your kitchen experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, these top-rated electric pressure cookers are designed to make meal prep easier, faster, and more delicious. Make sure to check out the product links in the description below, and let's get started with the video. Taking the 5th spot is the Comfee electric pressure cooker, a versatile kitchen appliance that offers 9-in-1 functionality. This 6-quart cooker works as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, cake maker, egg maker, and food warmer. With 14 programmable preset functions, it simplifies cooking a wide range of dishes, including meat, broth, beans, and oatmeal, making it a great choice for busy individuals. The intelligent delay timer function allows you to set your desired recipes up to 24 hours in advance, so you can enjoy gourmet meals at your convenience. Safety is a priority with 10 built-in features such as overheat protection, auto pressure release, and a lid safety lock system, ensuring a secure cooking experience. Additionally, the Comfee electric pressure cooker comes with helpful accessories, including a spoon, ladle, condensation cup, measuring cup, steam rack, and power cord, adding more value to this multifunctional kitchen tool. Taking the 4th spot is the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker, a high-tech appliance that takes your cooking experience to the next level. With its 6-quart capacity and the ability to connect to the Chef IQ app via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, this smart cooker offers access to 600+ guided recipes and culinary videos. The built-in scale allows you to cook by weight, eliminating the need for measuring cups and simplifying both prep and cleanup. Featuring automatic pressure release for safety, you can choose from 3 pressure release methods: quick, pulse, and natural. The app provides precise cooking parameters, so you never have to manually adjust settings. Additionally, the Chef IQ Smart Cooker offers over 1,000 presets for accurate cooking times and temperatures, and new recipes are added every week. Taking the 3rd spot is the Nesco Smart Electric Pressure Cooker, a versatile appliance designed for pressure canning, pressure cooking, steam cooking, and slow cooking. With a generous 9-quart capacity and a durable stainless steel body, this cooker is perfect for large batches. The removable non-stick cooking chamber can hold up to 4-quart jars, 5-pint jars, or 16-ounce jelly jars, making it ideal for canning fruits, jams, and salsas. It features a multifunctional digital display with a timer and preset programs to ensure consistent results every time. Equipped with both standard and high-altitude limiting valves, it offers 10 psi and 15 psi options for versatile cooking. The safety lock lid with an automatic float valve ensures the lid fits properly and detects pressure. Taking the 2nd spot is the Cosori electric pressure cooker, a 13-in-1 multifunctional kitchen appliance that simplifies your cooking tasks. With its 6-quart capacity, this cooker offers 9 cooking functions, including pressure cook, rice, steam, sterilize, oatmeal, stew, meat, slow cook, and more. The hassle-free steam release switch and backward-angled venting design ensure safe and easy operation. The ceramic, non-stick inner pot is made of high-quality, BPA-free materials, providing a durable and safe cooking surface. This pressure cooker also features a stainless steel, fingerprint-resistant exterior, making cleanup quick and easy, as the lid, inner pot, and accessories are all dishwasher safe. With 12 built-in safety features, including overheat protection and a double-layer anti-scalding lid, your cooking experience is both safe and efficient. Taking the 1st spot is the Instant Pot electric pressure cooker, a versatile 7-in-1 appliance designed to streamline your cooking. With a 5.68-liter capacity, it combines the functions of a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer. Featuring 13 customizable smart programs, it allows you to quickly cook ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more with just one touch. You can pressure cook meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods or slow cook for a more classic taste. The Instant Pot is designed for easy cleanup, with fingerprint-resistant stainless steel sides and a dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. It also boasts over 10 safety features, including overheat protection and a safe locking lid for peace of mind.